This is a 2010.
No, this is 2007.
2007 911 turbo, eh?
911 Type 997 turbo.
Jeez.
And if we want to make a right and then go the way we can back.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Dude, I can't even get my breath back. My breath is fucked. I feel like I've got asthma. Yes. Have you ever gone on a test drive and it's not gone very well?
You mean in terms of people being disappointed?
No, the driver being he's disappointing.
What does this do? That lifts the spoiler thing.
He loves that. Does that fucking consistently on that TT. No, I mean like where he's driven it and you like sitting here going, please let's get this guy out of the back seat of this car.
Being dangerous or?
Yeah, they're being dangerous.
Yeah, no, I have a few.
Or just like plain stupid more than anything else.
Yeah, no, you do get people that sort of just take advantage of the car. And
this I can understand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or the next robot.
yeah.
Smell for the camera, bro. This is insane, bro.
GT3 is nice, but
dude, you must
this
see.
over here is addictive.
Dude, you must see what that Turbo S does. You don't understand what that box does.
Just get stronger.
Yeah.
Strong car.
And you're like, whoop whoop, 120, 130.
Yeah, Unshausen Turbo.
Yeah.
Enjoy the ride. I can't even keep the camera still. Feels like it looks like we're driving over speed bumps all.
Yeah, but you're like, whoop, whoop. It's
Short bursts.
And at first gear, I can't believe I've short that. What does it do in first? Like
Speed wise?
Yeah.
I don't know, I've never really timed that.
Yes, because that first gear is short.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to. It's almost an actual action. It becomes an actual action.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when you know this car, this thing is, there's not much they can touch.
No.
That I can promise you.
Yeah.
No yuppie in his fucking Ferrari's gonna even smell you. Never mind frigging anything else.
Yeah.
I mean, just. That little bit is like, I had to get up.
Yeah, exactly. You can do that all day. And have your bank manager phone you every 45 minutes.
Yeah.
David Ringer, did you make a transaction for petrol?
Please keep it.
Yeah.
And the insurance company say,